Rebound by number 4. May kasamang foul. No good. Two shots.
Yesterday we were 30, today we're going for 4.
First shot. No good. One more shot by number 4. Another one. No good again. Another one. Pass to number 3. Stick to one, pass the ball. Mga kasabot kaya ang stick to one. Nag-aalagan. Inaalas number 2. Number 7. Pull-up shot. No good. Rebound by number 30. Pinalik. Yes, sir. 2 points by number 30. Napakagandang laban. Sagutan lang. Ano kayang gagawin tayo, Yonce? Are they keeping their lead until the last minute of the game? Pass to number 4. Sa ilalim. No good. Rebound by number 4 again. Number 7. Pass to ilalim. No good for this. Rebound by number 30. Pass to number 2.
Oh yeah. No, it's not a run, bro. Bro, it's not a run.
Nice hustle by number 2. Ball on stick to one. Pass to number 2 again.
Nice pass.
Easy layup by number 7. Number 7, our best player. Yesterday. Number 3. Pass to Charles. This starting malapit. Ng point guard pinasa sa gitna. Tumira ang ball. Number 3. By team captain Charles, number 3. He's got one bonus shot. The score natin 12-9 in favor of Cali Yonce. 14 minutes and 90 seconds. Cash money. Ilista mo na sa aming ni number 3. Number 3 nagdadala ng bola. Hinala sa
Oh my God!
Oh my goodness! It's King. Nakakamino yun, number 3. Number 23, then starter. Pass to number 3, team captain. Expectation move. Give me the starter. Pinasa sa number 4 guard. Oh! Fake pass. No good. Rebound by number. Other one. Nakakaulit. Number 23. No, number 16. Number 8. Pass to number 7. Gumit na. Umigot. Wala. Ang dami yan. Another one. No good. Blue ball tayo mga 2 ball na. Blue ball. Number 2. Magmamadali. Number 3. Pinasa kay Charles. Yes, sir. Number 2 to 1. Score natin 14-12.
Stick to 1, 14.
Stick to 1. Lamang ang stick to 1 ng dalawa. Tumira si number 3. Another one. No good. Bakison. Pinasa sa
Gonna go
number
home.
4.
Gonna go home. Bro, shoot it, shoot it.
Number 2. Number 2. Baby ka naman. Sabi ni number 2. Isiyan nyo lang.
7, 6.
6, 5, 4, 3. No good. Sayang yan. 12.
Run time? Yeah. No, run. Oh, it's running out.
Score natin 44. Pero naman. Number 2. The starter. Lagi sa gitna. Oh, fake pass. Pass to number 3. Pinaka number 3. Pinasa sa ilalim. Pinaka number 3. Tumira sa 3. No good. Rebound by number 4. Tumira sa gitna. No good again. Rebound by number 16. Passing number 7. Pumunta sa gitna. Ang
Oh my God!
Sir, 2 points by number 7. Kaya ni number 7. Dahil na lahat.
That's 4 points.
He's got 4 points now on this halftime. Pass to number 3. Wide open shot. No good. Rebound by number 11. Pass to number 3. Number 16. Nakawala na to number 2, Minong. Munti na tumira. Oh! Pinasa sa sarili. Nakuha na number 3. Ayun na, si number 3 nasa kabilang court na. Pinasa kay number 30. Tumira. No good. Rebound number 16. Put it back. No good. That's foul. Right. Number 23. That's your first foul. Second foul. And your second team foul. 2 shots. Right number 16. Substitution.
Sub.
Pasok lang. Substitution. First shot, no good. Last ball. Second goal, yes sir. He's got 3 points now. Number 16. Number 2. Ano kaya ang sasagot ni number 2? Number 4. Pinasa kay team captain, tumira sa 3. Yes sir. 3 points by number 3. Nila ba ang in your face? Pass to number 3. Pinasa number 30. Tumira pinasa kay number 7 sa middle. Oh, that's a foul. Hindi ba kaya si team captain? Masakit pa. Stop. Take your time. Masiga.
You good? You need Chopo, bro? Nah, bro. Joe, Chopo.
He's good. Substitution, sub down. Foul to middle. Who's foul, right?
Foul on.
Oh, no shot. It was on the floor. Bola na, stick to one. Pass to number 8. Ano kaya ang sasagot ng stick to one? Tumira sa 3, wide open shot, no good. Rebound by number 2. Number 2, nagkamadali na alas. Dinobote, pinasa ka number 4. Wide open, pinasa ka number 7. Nakawala. Pass to number 8. Discarding malulupot. Mga veteran move like stick to one. Pinasa sa number 16, ilalim. Foul. Number 4. Number 4. That's your first personal foul. First shot, last shot.
Did he make it? No.
Second shot. Yes, sir. That's your 4 points. Number 2, running down the court. Sumalaksak sa ilalim, pinasa kay number 1. No good sa press. Agawan sa ilalim. Rebound ni number 16. Nagmamadali number 7. Sumalaksak. No good. Rebound by number 1. Number 1. Pinasa kay number 2. Number 2, minagali niya. Yes, nagkasabit. Walang sabit. Foul tayo dyan. No foul. Yes, sir. 2 points by number 2. Number 3. Ano kaya sasagot ng stick to one? Naumilalim ang number 1. That's a all there. Number 7. Nadala ng bola. Pinasa ko number 2. Nakakataas ko. Stick to one again. Score natin 18-17 in favor of stick to one. Pass
Oh,
to
good luck.
number 30, no good. Reward number 11, tumatakbo na naman, hindi na papagod itong number 2 na to. Habang buhay to, paglalakbay, yes sir! No good pala. And rebound by number 7. Munti ka mabutawan. Pasa ka, number 30. Pass to number 16, pinasa agad. Face tayo dyan. Oh! Oh! Nakawala. Pinasa na. Last. Oh my goodness. Defense by number 11. Another one. Yes sir. 2-4 by number 15. Timeout left by Kali Yonce. Score natin. 20-17 in favor of stick to one. 6 minutes and 52 seconds remaining on the time. Kung sinong manalo dito will advance to our championship. And our next game, Free Agents versus Novak.
Injured, yo. I'm injured.
Mamaya paalala mo sa akin yung stock ko. Tapos pag another game, paalala mo sa akin na i-hit mo lang mamaya. Pag new game, mamaya.
Sun is down, freezing cold. That's how we already know.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. Bola na, Alionce. Let's go, Alionce. Lamang ang stick to one ng tatlo. 6 minutes and 53 seconds remaining on the clock. Let's go, Alionce. Number 3, pumasok na po si number 3. Ano kaya ang gagawin ni number 3? Set a screen. Tumira sa dos. Wala yun. Rebound by number 16. Munti kami pasa. Pero relax lang daw. Pinasa na nga sa kabilang court. Number 3. Pass to number 7. Tumira sa press. No hesitation. Number 3, may isasagot kaya ang Alionce. Tumira sa 3, no good, rebound by number 8. Pass to number 7. Napakalakas na tira mo ni number 7.
Go to work, 7.
Ooh, pass to number 3.
ISO,
And
ISO.
number 3,
ISO,
the
ISO.
isolation.
He's gonna pull it.
Pass to number 30, pass to number 7.
5.
Tumira, yes sir! Number 7 carrying the whole team. Number 7 has 8 points now, 9 points. Pass to number 7, pass to the middle, number 11, yes sir, count that in for number 11. That's a 2 points. He's got 4 points now. 5 minutes and 11 seconds remaining on the clock. Lamang pa rin ang stick to one ng anim. Pass to number 3. Tumira. No good. Rebound. Nagdagaan. Na rebound ni number 11. He's holding the ball. Jump ball. Blue Island. Blue Boy. Substitution left. 29 in. Sinong lumabas? Si number 1 lumabas. Number 7 still has the ball. Ano kaya ang gagawin niya sa number 7? Perimeter, tumira, no good. Rebound by number 3. Almost got it. Number 3. Sa kabilang team. Easy layup. That's it. Lamang pa din ng 8. Nadagdagan na ang lamang ng stick to one. Number 3. Number 3. Pinasa sa ilalim. Yes sir! No pass by number 3. 2 points by number 29. Pass to number 3. Almost deflected. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 7 again. Number 7. Oh, side step. Pass to number 16. Oh, what a block. He's got 4 blocks now by number 11. Napakalapit na depensa. Now number 11. Napakalapit mo. I know. Napakadaming block dyan. Walang makawala sa ilalim.
Never mind.
Uno, dos. Napakalapit. Number 7. Bumidiskarte. Ano kaya ang gagawin ni number 7? Pass to number 3. Tumira. Yes sir. Tumira sa isa. Number 3. Team captain ng Cal-UNC ang gumagawa dito. Napakalapit. Number 7. Ano kaya gagawin ni number 7? Number 7. Dami number 7. Tumira sa 3. No hesitation. Hold it. Hinaban number 10. Pass to team captain. Number 3. Number 3. Sumalaksan!
Charging.
Offensive foul by number 3. Are you guys okay? They are okay. Yes, sir. Offensive foul. That's your second personal foul. And that's your 5th team foul. Lamang pa din ang apat ang stick to 1. Are they sticking until championship? Pass to number 30. Fake. Tumira sa malayo. Yes, sir! Night by number 30. Oh, number 7. Nagdalo ng bola. Crossover. Pinasa sa malayo. Sayang yan. Pinasa sa kawalan. Saltation. Number 10 out. Number 23 in. Bola ng stick to 1. It's Stephen Curry. Nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa sa malayo. Nakuha ni number 3. Nakagaw. Ano kang gagawin ni number 3? Didiretso yun kaya. Pinasa ulit. Munti ka makuha ni number 8. Munti ka lang makuha naman ng stick 1. Pero bola tayo ng blue ball. Cal-UNC.
1 minute and 10 seconds.
Pass to number 11. 3-point. No hesitation shot. No good. Pass to number 8. Number 8, rebound the ball. Pass to number 16. Number 3. Ang best player ng stick to 1. Number 3 has the ball. Pass to number 30. Fake shot. Yes sir, no good. Rebound. Again. Now, fake captain. Ano kaya ang gagawin ni fake captain? Oh, nagagawan! Sino na nakagawan? Pati ka na, nibutan ni number 3. Nakuha. 2, 3, 4. Binalik. Ano kaya ang gagawin? Pass to number 30 again. Fake. Number 7 has the ball. Takbo daw, sabi ni number 3. Na-fake. Tumira.
Hey!
Number 3. 2, 4. 15 seconds left. 15 seconds remaining on the clock. 29. 21. Number 3. Oh, 5, 3, 2, 1. Sayang yun. 29, 25. Ang score natin is stick to 1. Is still leading. Apat ang larang.
How do you put second?
Our next game, Novak versus Free Agent. Kung sino ang manalo dito, will advance to our first championship. Parang March Madness ko. Kung sino manalo, advance ka agad sa championship.
Somebody do it for a Louis Bell. That's just all he know, he don't know nothing else. I tried to show him. Yeah. I tried to show him. Gone away with a pick and roll. Younger flame get sick on roll.
Number 30 has 4 points. Number 16 has 6 points. Number 7 has 9 points. And number 3 has 10 points. Number 11, Bakali also 4 points. Charles has 15. Number 2 has 2 points. 23 and 29 has 2 points.
Yeah.
Stick to 1 po ang ating bola.
Reset.
Stick to 1 ang
Let her
bola
run.
natin.
Just let her run.
Number 7. Gumawa, tumira sa dos. Napakalabit. Yes sir. 2 points. Lamang ng 6. Pinagkakabit na. Maling tada. Maling kalaban yan. Pinagkaka number 16. Back to number 7. Number 7. Ano kaya ang discard ni number 7? Number 7. Pinagkaka number 16. Foul yan. Number 4. Who's foul ref? Number 4. Number 3. Number 3 has 3 foul. 1, 2, 3. First shot, no good. Second shot. Pass off. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 4. Wide open. Pinasok sa paa. Number 16 has the ball. Pass to number 7. Umikot! Yes, sir. 10 ang lamang ng stick 1. Partida, walang sub-sub yan. Kalira sa the ball. Tapos naagawan. Ako'y number 3 na naman. Layup, no good. Pinakas, ako'y number 3 again. Baba daw, sabi. Pinasa kay number 7. Open, na-open si number 7. Pinasa kay number 3. Open shot. No good. Number 8, rebound the ball. Number 7, has the ball again. Pinasa sa ilalim. No good. Rebound by number 2. Number 2 has the ball.
Go to work.
Number 4. Number 2 has the ball. Hesitation move. Tumira. No good. Foul. Number 16.
Number 16, you got 2 fouls.
10 ang lamang ng stick 1 with 17 and 37 seconds remaining on the clock.
Partida.
Kaldi also, you guys gotta go to work. Walang sub-sub ang stick 1. Second shot. Yes sir. 9-point lead ang stick 1. Number 7 has the ball. Pass to stepping carry to Mira sa tres. Yes sir. Number 30, Night ang Kali Onse. Number 2 has the ball. Number 22. Dumidiskarte. Tumira. Tapos. Sayang yun. Number 7. Number 7, pass to number 3. Back to number 7. Pass to Night. Pass to middle. Munti ka maagaw. Naagaw na po. Naka number 3 na ang bola. Nasa blue. 3v2. Tumira. Layup. Easy layup by number 3. Number 7 has the ball. Number 7 again. Dumiskarte. Pinasa kay number 3. Nang katawan. Pass to number 7. Wide open shot by number 7. No good. Rebound by number. Nagkagawan pa din. Pinasa. Kanino ref ang bola. Blue ball. Blue ball daw. Sabi ng ref. Pass to number 2. Makakahabol pa kaya ang Kali 11. Sample pa ang lawang ng stick to 1. Pass to number 3 with no hesitation shot. No good. Rebound by number 4. Rebound by number 16. Naka number 16 na ang bola. Stick to 1. Pass to number 30. Number 30 has the ball. Best now, sabi ni best player. Pass to number 7.
15-second shot clock.
Oh, what a... Oh! Foul tayo dyan. Napakalupit po nga sa amin, number 7.
Substitution, ref.
Substitution. Number 3 out. 11 in.
Charles.
Charles, you got 4 fouls.
Who got the other one? 4?
Or I think number 4 has one. I think
Siya yung
he's got 3 fouls.
Charles has 3 now.
No good. Rebound by number 4. Pass to 11.
They missed both.
Pass to number 2. In the middle, drop pass to number 29. Number 29 and number 16 are gagawin. Jump ball. Red ball. Blue ball. Blue ball tayo. Kali Onse has the ball. Pass to number 2. Oh, what a step back. Pass to number 23. Number 23. No good for them. Na-rebound ni Kaliase. Number 29. Pass to middle. Number 4 has the ball. Tumira. Foul. Number 30. Saan? 38-28 ang score. First shot, no good by number 4. One more shot. Sample pa din ang lamang with 30 minutes and 4 seconds remaining on the clock. Number 4. Number 4 made it. Substitution. Pass off, pass off. Number 7 has the ball. They're playing zone. Pass to number 30. Munti ka mabitawan. Back to number 7. Back to number 7. Umatakit. Victory not pass na naman. Ingatan mo yung drop pass na yan. Number 7. Shot clock.
There
24.
was 7.
Inbounding the ball, number 8, pass to number 7, nakalala. Walang foul yan. Kanina ang bola, number 2 has the ball. Munti ka na. Pass to number 7 again, bumalik. Tumira sa boss, no good. Rebound number 3, same ball. Pass. Number 3 has the ball. Tumira sa 3, no good. Nailalim ni number 16. Down to pass, sabi ni number 3. 14-29 ang lamang. Tumira sa si number 4. What a look. What a look. Man-to-man na ang laruan ng Kali 11. Makakahabol pa kaya ang Kali 11. Siya mang lamang ng 6-1. Number 7 is still has the ball. Nangangalabaw si number 7.
9-second shot clock.
9, 8.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Open shot by number 7. No good.
Luka, didn't touch the rim.
It didn't hit the rim. 24-second shot clock violation. Number 7 inviting the ball. Pass to number 3. Back to number 16. Back to the good guys. Kung nakuha na number 4. Number 4 inviting the ball. Pass to number 2. Mga labaw sa ilalim dahil sa foul. Dahil sa foul. Number 8.
Foul on. Second foul.
Second foul by number 8. Nagagalit ang anak ni number 8. Wala namang foul. First shot, yes sir. 8 na lang ang lamang ng stick to 1. 8. With 10 minutes and 20 seconds remaining on the clock. Second shot, no good.
Lane violation.
Lane violation. Number 16 batting the ball, pass to number 7. Pass to number 16 has the ball. Oh, rebound by number 11. Pass to number 2. Yes sir. Timeout. 6-1. Timeout.
6-point lead.
40-34 ang score natin mga tropa. Lamang pa din ang stick to 1. Lamang na lamang kanina ba. With 9 minutes and 44 seconds on the clock. Ang next game po natin, SBB Free Agent versus Novak. Kung sinong manalo dito, will advance to the championship. At kung wala ba kayong merch, please,
Bumili na kayo.
bumili na kayo.
Yes, sir.
Oh, jeez. I can't even like. The standard. Can't even lift up my arm.
Bola lang. Who's ball red? Red, blue team, red team. Stick to that basketball. Number 3. Minamadali namin number 3. Dalawa lang. Yes! Walang ginawa ang dalawang kapatid ni number 2. Pinoy Step by number 3. Napakalupit mo, number 2. Napakalupit mo, number 7. Isang malupit din yan. Bantayan mo yan. Yan na ang foul. Foul. Foul number 2. Number 2, that's your first foul.
20-second shot clock.
20-second shot clock. Pass to number 7. Number 2.
15-second shot clock.
Number 3 taking his time.
10-second shot clock.
Stand up.
7, 6, 5.
Tumira sa 3. Number 7. Sumagal na po. Number 3. Number 4. Tumira. Rebound by number 8. Pass to number 3. Pass number 3. Number 3 Jumili starte. Tumira. Good try by number 3. Pass to number 3 na naman. Ang pakabilang goal.
Oh my gosh, he's
Every
everywhere.
points by number 3. Lamang na lamang ng 9. Ang stick to 1, tumira sa 3, no hesitation shot. Rebound by number 3 again. Tony Rosados. No good. Rebound by number 2 again. Rebound by number 8. Pass to number 30. 2v1. Ang stick 1. Pinasa sa wala. Blue ball tayo. Kali onto ang bola. Napakalupit ang stick 1. Walang stop yan. Napakatitibay. Number 7, pass to number 2. Pass to number 11. Tumira. Hindi na agaw. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 7. Umikot! No good! Number 2 has the ball. Number 2. Number 2 has the ball. Still has the ball. Foul yan for number 3, 0. And he's got 3 fouls. Substitution left. Another substitution. Bilis. Number 4 inbound ko there. Nakakuha na naman ng number 3. Oh my goodness. Kanya-kanya yan. Oh my goodness. Number 16 has the ball. And
Yo, MVP. Yo.
How many points?
Bro, he got like 30 points. Look at him.
7 minutes and 49 seconds on the clock. Lamang ng 11 ang stick to 1. Partida yan.
17.
Walang
Number 3 got 17 points.
Was that the right time? Yeah.
Back to the ball game. Three fouls pa lang sila. Five more fouls.
Bola ng Caliente. Number 1. Dada ng bola. Number 23 ang layo nun. Tumikot sa malayo. Rebound by number 15. Number 30 has the ball. Pass to number 7. Tumira na good. Rebound to number 3. Tumasok na! Number 3 is killing everybody.
That's
On
19
Caliente.
points for number 3.
Napakalupit ni number 3. He's giving everything he has.
Shooter,
Pass to number 4. Si Kaijan.
Oh, I see.
Number 4. Kaijan. Nagkasabit si number 4.
Number 8, third person.
Number 8, 3 fouls.
Dalawang tira para kay number 4. Unang tira. Yes, sir. Second shot. Second shot. Yes, sir. Again. Ilista mo na kay number 4. Pass to number 3. Tumira sa tres. No good. Munti ka na. Rebound din number 1. Pasa kay number 3. Number 3.
Hey,
Layup by number 3. Pass to back to number 3 again. 6 minutes na lang ang natitira. Lamang pa din ng Sean ang stick to 1. And the ball.
15-second shot clock.
Na kay number 3 na naman ang bola.
10-second shot clock.
Seven.
7-second shot clock.
It wasn't kickball.
5 minutes and 25 seconds. Pass to number 7.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 24-second shot clock.
24-second shot clock violation. Kali Onse has the ball. Mag-ready na po ang free agent versus Novak. Number 2, Leah Papadek, no good. No good. Number 3 has the ball. Burnista is in the move. No good foul.
And there's a foul.
Number 1, foul kagad.
23 has 3 fouls.
23? Yeah. 23, you got 3 fouls.
Number 3 versus number 3.
First shot, yes sir.
That's 20 points.
He's gonna drop 20 bucks.
20 points, not by number 3. Second shot. Second shot, no good. Rebound by number 7. Bumalik ang bola sa sticker 1. Sticker 1 has the ball. Number 3 taking his time. Number 3 sumalaksak, pinasa ang number 30 sa malayo. That's a 2 points. Napakalayo nun. He's got 9 now. Number 23 has the ball. Wide open shot by number 3. No good. Napalakas. Pass to number 3. Ang nasa kabilang court na umikot ulit. Nag-take. Tumba si number 1. Tumba na ang mga player. Number 3 has the ball. Pass to number 4. Anong gagawin ni number 4? Tumira. No good. Rebound by number 8. Pass to number 7. Number 7 has number 3 again.
My God.
22 points.
22 points by number 3. Pagod na si number 3. Wala silang substitution. Number 3. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 4. Tumira sa 3. Rebound by number 11. Rebound by number 11. Sumamba. Pinalik kay number 3. No good. Another rebound by number 3. Number 3 ang nakalakas. Number 4 has the ball. Yes, sir! 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining on the clock. Lamang po ng 12. Ang stick one. Walo lang pala. Walo. Easy layup by number 7. 10 na ang lamang ng stick one. Makakahabol pa kaya ang Kali Onse? Anong diskarte ang papakita ng Kali Onse? Pagod na ang lahat. Key drop by number 3. Time out. Tayo dyan. Stop time. 2 minutes and 17 seconds remaining on the clock. Lamang pa din ng 8 ang stick one.
Next game, get ready.
Next game natin, free agent versus Novak. Kung sino ang mananalo dito, win versus win sa championship. Number 16 inbounding the ball. Will they take the lead until the last stretch of the game? Lamang pa din ang 8. Number 7 has the ball. Mamintain kaya ng stick 1 ang lamang nila. Number 7 taking his time. To number 7 pass to number 30. Nakita ni number 3 sa... Pinasa pala! Sa labas. 61, number 30, 2 points. He has 11 points now. Number 2, anong gagawin mo? Pinag drop pass kay number 4. Easy points, no points. Nabitahan ni number 4. Number 8, foul yan. Number 4, foul. That's your third personal foul.
Not yet.
5, that's your 5th team foul. Munti ka maagaw, inagaw, kanino yan? Pushing foul. Number 3. Lost ball foul by number 3. First personal foul, number 3. Isa pa lang ang foul ni number 3. Ang best player ng 6 to 1. 1 minute and 29 seconds na agaw pa, naagaw ulit ng number 3. Oh, binala ni number 3. Super shot at shot. Lamang pa din ng Bose. Ang 6 to 1. Number 7 nakawala is by number 7. Pass to number 4. Oh, what a move. No good. Naka number 2 again. Okay, number 3. Two foul. Para kay number 8.
Nice throw.
Last minute. 62-50.
Number 8 got 4 fouls.
No good. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 7. Ugo Faras now. Number 7 taking his time.
15-second shot clock.
Pass to number 30. Pass to number 7. Nakuha ni number 10. Pass to number 2. Number 2 easy layup. Number 3 taking his time. Number 2, 19 seconds. Number 7.
Do him like that.
Pinasa.
Yes, sir.
What a pass by number 3. Ginawa na lahat number 3. Napakalapit.
6 to 1, you're going to the final.
It's 6-1 is going to the championship. Kung sino ang manalo dito.
Next game.